Hey, welcome back. So today we are now looking at how can we create a how can we integrate what we did with our last tutorial, wherein you actually queried a couple of Streamlit lead code solutions to our ChatGPT playground, and it gave us couple of cool solutions. And here I have changed it from I think last one we did it with Da Vinci. Here I'm doing with Code Cushman. So Code Da Vinci, basically, if you look it up, is what GitHub Copilot is using in their application. But we are actually doing with Code Cushman. You are totally it also works with chat text, so you can play around with it and see what works for you. But what we are building now is we have an interface, and in this we will take one of the lead code solution problems, lead code questions, type it, see if we get a valid solution, and we'll also look at the code. So here basically what we are doing, similar to rest of the problems, we are actually doing Streamlit as ST, we are importing an OS, and we have OpenAI. Here I just have a header, and I'm asking you to type the solution. And let me basically say type, we can actually say it, type lead code question with constraints, right? So let's actually type this, and I have a button to fetch Python code here because we are extracting the Python code. And uh, if you have looked at the last one where we actually did a chat GPT to do an auto response, so here whatever we are getting it from our model, if you actually go here and do view code, you can actually export this. I just copy pasted it back into here along with my Streamlit components. And here whatever we had hard coded value, I have changed it to prompt here so that it is dynamic and we accept the questions. And max token is something you have to update because default I think is some 80 or 60 odd, and once you exceed that, you won't get that won't be displayed back. So that's always you have to do. And once you have done all this, and let's actually go and look at an example here, right? So let's actually say foursome 2, and let me take this question and also the constraints here. Let's take it and paste it into here and see if this would work. Okay. And uh, 1 minute. Let's take another problem. So let me go to problems here. So let's start with this one. We'll do one easy, one medium, and all the ones. So let me copy paste this one. Let's go here, paste it, and let's say fetch. Okay. So I think I just removed the API key. Let me just copy paste it here, because I think I wanted to check it out. So yeah, let me copy paste it back, and I'm going back to this tutorial, and let's auto generate now. We should get the code back now. Okay, so we got the code, and I'm just copy pasting this entire function here. So okay, so let's see if our solution works. Cool. So our solution did work. Okay, so let's actually say